everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our brand new collection. It's called Full Bloom. It is absolutely beautiful. I can't. So these scrapbooking kits will be available on the 5th, and I'll just show you what is in each kit in case you're waiting to get yourself a kit. So Full Bloom has the laser cut, the beautiful new embossing folder, the creative cuts, the urban grunge die, the vellum creative cuts, some alpha stickers, cut apart sheet, the magazine, which is over 40 pages full of all of the projects, ideas, all step-by-step instructions, some of our gorgeous lace pieces, and the creative kit. So this retail on this is like well over $80, so much included in this kit, and it's only $49.95. Second kit is our Teenage Spirit kit. It's a smaller kit. As I mentioned before, the paper pack is smaller anyway, and it is $39.95. You are getting some of our blue stars, some of the new twine, and this is the natural, the matrix stencil, creative cuts, got some corrugated cardstock in here. We have got an inspirational book. This is not an instruction book. There are no instructions, but there are lots of gorgeous inspirational layouts that you can copy for both card making. Oh, and see how you can sand the cardstock. It looks really good. We've got a new sanding block coming real soon. Cards as well, so ideas in here for you for the kit. We've got the cut apart sheet, an embossing folder, got some of our cardstock. It is so thick, it doesn't even flop. It's so exciting. You are going to, when you hold this cardstock, you are going to love it. Oh my goodness. 2 lots of cardstock, and of course the collection pack. So both these kits will be available on the 5th. I don't have the card making kits to show you today, but I'll show you them on the 5th. But these are the cards you can make with them. So this is the Teenage Spirit one. We've got something for everyone. Football, gaming, music, cricket, skating, and a bit of everything. And of course, if your teenager's into reading or karate or something I don't have here, I'm very sorry. We can't cover everything, but we've covered a lot, I think. Second kit that will be available for card makers is Full Bloom. These are just really beautiful cards to have in your stash. Congratulations, happy birthday. We did do some retirement ones and sympathy ones as well. Welcome home, welcome to your new home. Those kind of ones as well. So that is the card making kit. I'll take you through the full kit on the 5th. I just wanted to show you what is coming. Thanks guys for sticking with me through this whole video, if you're still with me. All of the collection items over there are available on our website today. Kits will be coming on the 5th. Till next time guys, bye.